Bad news, guys. My phone is cracked, severely cracked. And the screen doesn't work. I guess you guys are just gonna have to bear with me until I get this fixed. We're going to Starbucks to go do some work and just kind of hang out at a coffee shop, and then we're gonna go try to get this fixed at the Apple Store. Okay, this is right now. This is July 5th, but the vlog is gonna be on July 6th. So we're going to the coffee shop now. Aftermath. Leaving Starbucks now. It was amazing. Did you like Starbucks?
Yeah, it was fun.
Oh, bright light. It's around like 8:50, 9 o'clock maybe. And we're gonna light off some fireworks that we had left over. Which is gonna be great. Okay, so we got 2 of these little things and a lot of these. Lighter's working. It's like 10 o'clock now. I was up till about 2 last night because I was editing the vlog from yesterday. So I'm really tired. I think I'm just gonna go to bed. But the only problem is I still have the camera up and recording, so I'm just not gonna turn it off. See you guys in the morning.